In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell gold in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is add gold onto your chart or, of course, to your market watch list over here. If you don't know how to do this, I covered it in a separate video, which is called How to Add Gold to MetaTrader 5. So go watch that first, and then whenever you do it, you want to look for it. So gold usually has the symbol called XAUUSD. I'm going to click on it, and you can right-click and open the chart window. And then to buy and sell it, you either want to go and click on the new order up top. You could right click on the chart, hover over trading, and click on the new order. You could also go and basically right click here on the left and then click on new order from here, or you could go and press F9 on your keyboard. All of these things, all of these methods are going to do the same thing. They're going to open up this trading window. In here to buy and sell gold, make sure gold is selected. I have XAUUSD, so gold versus US dollar. You have to select your volume over here. Then you have to select a stop loss and take profit. Now, of course, if you want to, these things are optional. I'm not going to place any right now. And then whenever you've selected your order type over here, you could do market execution, limit, stop, or stop limit order. You can just go ahead and select your fill policy, add a comment to your order. Again, this is optional too. You can see how it looks here on the right. And then you can just either buy over here or sell, okay? Now, if you want to use quick buy and sell, you could also open a chart and click on this button top left to show the trade panel, which allows you to quick buy or sell, or you could also press Alt+T on your keyboard, which is going to pop up the same thing. You can then buy or sell. Of course, you're going to have to accept some terms for the first time you do this, but that's how you can also buy and sell very quickly on MetaTrader 5, okay? So that's how to buy and sell gold. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.